Seoul, where 600-year-old palaces sit beside neon skylines, and you're seeing none of the story. Rigid group tours, a guide reciting dates at Gyeongbokgung Palace, rushing you through Bukchon's Hanok streets before you've even taken a photo. Uvamai's Seoul self-guided audio tour hands you 16 of the city's most iconic landmarks, with hours of expert narration revealing the royal court intrigue, the temple traditions, and the layered history behind every gate and alley. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you, audio guides and an interactive map, ready whenever you are. No group, no rush. Seoul at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand at the gates of Gyeongbokgung and hear the Joseon dynasty's rise and fall. Wander Bukchon's Hanok-lined lanes and see 5 centuries of Korean life still standing. Discover Cheongdeokgung's UNESCO-listed secret garden. Step into Jogisa Temple's incense-filled courtyard. Walk the War Memorial and feel the weight of a nation's history. 16 landmarks, finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Seoul, not just photograph it. $6, 16 Seoul landmarks, your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.